Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying immediate prerequisites. Make sure airplane mode is off, Wi-Fi is enabled, and you've selected the correct SSID. Then restart your phone and the router, power off, wait 30 seconds, power on. Once done, open Wi-Fi settings and inspect the network details to see if the phone obtained an IP via DHCP or is set to a static address. This reveals whether the problem is server-side DHCP or a misconfigured static IP, and directs the next steps. Now force a fresh DHCP lease. Forget the network and reconnect so the phone requests a new IP. If your settings show static, change to DHCP, automatic, to let the router assign an address. If you must use static, enter a valid IP, correct gateway, and proper subnet mask matching the router. After applying, run the phone's network diagnostic or use a ping/traceroute app to confirm connectivity. These steps isolate whether lease assignment or manual values caused the failure. To finalize, reserve the phone's IP on the router's DHCP table or update router firmware to fix allocation bugs. If problems persist, reset network settings on the phone to clear corrupt configs. This removes saved Wi-Fi credentials, so be ready to rejoin networks. Make sure MAC filtering or parental controls aren't blocking the device. If all else fails, test with another Wi-Fi network or a mobile hotspot. This quick check tells you if the issue is the phone or the original network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.